special. So Father's Day is not celebrated with much enthusiasm compared to Mother's Day, mainly because we don't have much choices when it comes to gifting them stuff, especially DIY. So we're going to change that today, and I'm going to show you some great ideas which you can gift your father, which is really useful, which is not expensive, and which is quick to make. So let's start.
Idea number 1 is a Swiss knife inspired key holder. For this you will need ice cream sticks, single hole puncher, bolts and nuts, scissors and key. So you take your ice cream stick and place the longest key you have to mark the position. Leave a little gap above and mark the hole. Similarly, leave a little space on the other side and mark the hole. Next, take your puncher and punch a hole over the marking. This could be a little difficult depending on the thickness of the stick. Once you have punched the hole, you need to cut the other side, so just mark the outline like so and cut it with a scissor. We will require 2 sticks like this. Next step is optional. Want to add a wooden effect on the stick, all you need to do is mix a little water to coffee powder and paint it over the stick. The more water you use, the lighter the color will be. Once it dries, it will give this brown effect which looks gorgeous. Next, take your stick and push it in the bolt on both the holes. I have 3 keys here. Depending upon the number of keys you have, you can buy a longer bolt. Now take your key, place it in and secure it with a nut. On the other side, secure a nut first as you only have 1 key there. Then place your key and secure that with another nut. Similarly, repeat on the other side. Finally, place your stick over the bolt and secure that firmly with a nut each. You could also write a name or initial over the stick with a marker. And we are done.
Once done, it will look something like this, and the keys can be turned around very easily. Not at all flimsy because of the bolts here. If you do not have time for this or you do not find it convenient, you can also do this. This is something I had shown for the Mother's Day special gift idea. I'll send the link below in the description. You can check that out as well. So you have to get keychain ideas. Yeah.
Idea number 2 is this unique bookmark. You will need cardboard, scissors or cutter, newspaper, scale, pencil, glue, brush and book for measurement. First you will measure how long you want the bookmark to be, so place your cardboard over the book and mark the length. Then draw an outline of any kind of tie you want. I'm going for a simple one. Now you will take your scissors and cut it as per the outline. So midway I realized that a cutter would work better. You can use whatever you like. Similarly, cut all the edges. Next, you take any newspaper and pick any design or print you like. Then you start tearing them into pieces. Then you take your glue, add in some water to make it thinner. Place your paper over the cardboard and start painting the glue over it. Do this all over and finally use a plain piece of paper and paste it over any area. After it dries, it should look something like this. Now take your pencil and draw a cute little heart. Outline and fill it with a red marker. And for finishing touches, just give it a black border on top and on the sides. That's all there is to it. Idea number 3 is the simplest to make. All you need is a plain mug, sketch pen and permanent marker. Once you have your mug, you need to know which side does your dad really drink from. Depending on that, you will draw the moustache to fall perfectly below the nose when he drinks. Next, you Google different types of moustaches and choose your favorite and copy that onto the mug with a sketch pen. Make sure both sides look similar. If you go wrong, you can easily wipe it with some water. Once you're happy with it, test it so you see if it falls in place. Now you can draw over the outline with your permanent marker. You can either color it completely inside or like me draw strands of hair. And we are done! Moustache mug.
Alright, that's all I have for you this week. I hope you all have an amazing Father's Day. If you happen to do any DIY, do send it to me. I've sent my Instagram and Twitter links below. And subscribe for more videos by me, and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and found it useful. That is it. I hope I see you all next time. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, chalo.
Hi.